Okay, we will try to make some complete objects like our class before, a glass. First thing, you need a cylinder. Okay, and then you have to set the radius bigger. Let's say set to 5, and then set the height is to 12. Okay. Okay. Let's set it translates y to 6. Okay. So the bottom of the glass will be right on the origin, the plane grid. Okay. I will set to 0 on subdivision curve, so later we will easy to make a hole for the glass body. Okay, subdivision axis will set to 8 like this. Okay, and then for the main body, I will to make lips of the glass, we will use extrude tool. Okay, and then I will use a scale in 3 axis. I think this lips of the glass is wide enough, and then I will add another extrude, change the tool to move, drag down and until almost the bottom side of the glass. Okay, and then we need a bevel inside the bottom of the glass and outside the bottom of the glass. Okay, for the bevel I will use extrude, another more, scale down a bit like this. Okay, and then the outside I will make the same thing, scale down with the after the extrude. Okay, like this, and then I will going for a while. I will go into object mode for a while, and then use smooth proxy, which is mean the original objects will become a proxy object, and then the new object will be the smooth result object. I will set the level of division set to 2, and then the display setting I will set from transparent to switch to keep, and I keep active check to subdivision browser and rebel. Okay, and then click smooth. After that, click the smooth object. Okay, move aside. Okay, if you see, which I did not, and then I will activate the wireframe and set. If you see, the bevel is not too good, even on the bottom side, still too smooth. Okay, and then I will use insert text loop. I will set the option first, and then reset the tool. Okay. Okay. I will use insert loop, maybe around here. Okay, as you can see, the smooth, the bevel is still there, but not too sharp and not too smooth. Okay, we will do for the lips of the glass from the outside and the inside. Okay, see, and then I will change the view from shadow to wireframe and set the inner under the bottom of the glass to another inserted slope or bevel. Okay, as you can see, with wireframe view, all the bevel is quite smooth, good, but not too sharp, but not too smooth. Okay, the next part, I will adding the handle of the glass is beside the main body. This will be the part of second body. I will rotate the glass later, but the first things I will make the handle from cube like this one. I will set in here. Okay, next the handles maybe is set to 3. No. Okay, handle set to 3. Okay, like this, and then this one is to 1. Oh no, it's to mirror. Okay, and then drag up a bit, and then the height is I will set higher. This set to I will set subdivision width to 3. Oh no. And it's still 1. This one's subdivision depth to 3. Yeah. Oh my. The height. Okay, because what? This is the part of the top of the glass, which is later we need to attach the upper side, and then for the bottom side will attach to the bottom of the glass. Okay, I think we need to move up a bit. Okay, and then next I will set the vertex here, rotate on single axis like this. Okay, and then I will move to here. Okay, like that. That this part's a bit. Okay, this one as well, and then this one I will rotate like this, move to here. Okay, fix up a bit of the rotation. Okay, wait, move up a bit, stabilize this one as well. Okay, I think it's look fine. Okay. Okay, this will be like this. I think it's 2 volt. Oh, okay, done. Okay, the locally will be like this, and then if you can see, it's hard to attach the handle to the main body of the glass, because this is the face area is not so fit. Is this edge is in the middle of the face. Is not easy to attach, so I will rotating the main body. I will set to vertex. I will select all the entire main body glass. I will rotating from the top view like this. Okay, I will rotating. Okay. Okay, I will back to perspective view like this. Yeah. Okay, and then I need to add some edge. Okay, I need some edge, more some edge on the outside. So letter will be fit with the glass, with the handle of the glass. Okay. Okay, over like this. Okay. Okay. Change selection to go main body, and then I will add more edge with insert edge loop. Okay, and then I think I will set in here, here. Okay, like that. Okay, and then I will make extrusion to fit the face letter we will attach to. Okay, switch to face mode like this, and then extrude. Okay, need to scale. Okay, a bit from here. Okay, I need to delete this face, the bottom side will extrude as well, scale like that. Okay, and then move a bit the edge. Okay, and then back to face mode and delete the face. Okay. Another thing is we need to delete the face of this handle, this one as well. Okay, delete it, and then the next thing is to combine the main body of the glass with the handle. We usually use combine. Next, already become one object. See? Okay. Next, we will merge the vertex. Okay, this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one. Okay. Okay, and this one for sure. Okay, next we need to merge. Okay, this one is merged. If the merge is not working, it's because the distance threshold is not merged enough. Okay, let's set to 0.5. No. 0.5. Okay, they well attached like this. Okay, we need to back to object mode, set to shaded mode like this. Okay, because the smooth object not updated well, we not use anymore. Just delete it. Set heading smooth proxy again. Okay, select the smooth object, drag. Okay, we already have the new one with the smooth object, but I think it's the curve is too smooth. Okay, so I need to adding some edge with insert edge loop. Okay, I will add in here. Okay, see, more sharp. I think I need to move a bit down. Okay, look, okay, oh, nice. Okay, then I think it's too far. Okay, I think it's more fit. If you see the green area on the smooth object, this is only not refreshed on the shader. Just right click, assign existing materials, pick number 1, and then this back to gray. Okay, this is the glass, the final result of glass, and then how to make a complete glass with extrude adding component extrude, combine, merge vertex, yeah, with two object. Okay, hope all of you clear how to do it completely with this session. Okay, thank you.